first question, which we have collected and collated from the community, is basically BMS technology localization in an ecosystem. What are the challenges and opportunities in that space? Because some of you are international organizations which have brought in the technology from outside, or some of you might have collaborated or acquired bits and parts of your technology. So what are your views on localization part, on bringing the basically how the commercial price sensitivity of Indian market makes sense when it comes to the international space?
I'm Kamlesh, and I work as a business development manager for CFD and thermal solutions for Altair, covering India and Gulf. So thanks for the opportunity, and a very good afternoon to all of you. And I'll be covering a bit on electrification and different solutions offering from Altair, and most probably the entire solution for BMS. Of course, I normally start with the agenda just to give a heads up of what I'm going to talk about. So I think the first one is almost covered for last 1 hour, so I'll ensure that I'll skip most of it. Then the operation and advantages of BMS. Then I would put some causes of battery fire, which is some of the incidents which is on news all over. So normally the operation inside a vehicle comes from the BMS, from the accelerator, from the electronic control unit. Then it diagnoses the battery performance, go to the power converter from the motor, and then it senses the complete communication on board, another thing, and from of course the mechanical drive and for the vehicle as well. So all these sort of communication needs to be controlled. The performance needs to be estimated, completely monitored, completely diagnosed using the BMS system. So normally, from Altair point of view, the solution offerings, we normally divide it from technical, operational, and of course economical point of view, because everything ends in a business. So the technical point of it, of course, prevent damage with very high voltage, or the cell balancing which is required, or the limited charge of current as well. Then complete operational, which is most important, minimize thermal runaway and safety and reliability. And economic is of course low cost. So people normally electric vehicle manufacturers, there's safety and the economical things which is required to ensure the safety is also goes for a toss. So these all three important steps are required to entirely maintain the battery management system. So I will mostly speak about the causes which I think is already discussed in the panel discussion, but I'll just run through it. Some of the important points. So faulty electrical and mechanical design. This is a very debatable statement, but this is one of the design validation and tuning is particularly necessary for the BMS, which means how much load it can manage, how it will monitor, how it will diagnose, and etc. Then of course the production quality. I do understand that the manufacturing of these systems is very niche.